Hello and welcome to the channel. Are you looking for a fun, easy and protective style for your little one? Let's talk about the Benny and Betty Brazilian wool hairstyle. This is a fantastic choice for toddlers and kids. This hairstyle is done using soft, lightweight acrylic Brazilian wool to create beautiful braids, twists, or cornrows. It's a gentle way to switch up their look. What makes the wool so great? It's completely heat-free, which is perfect for delicate toddler hair. Plus, the wool is super light, so it doesn't pull or stress their scalp. You can pick any color you can imagine, from bright, playful shades to more natural tones, giving your child a bouncy, fresh look that can last for weeks. To keep this lovely style looking neat and healthy, here are a few simple maintenance tips. Hydration is important. Use a light moisturizing spray or a bit of leave-in conditioner diluted with water on the scalp every couple of days. This keeps everything soft and prevents itching. Always make sure your child sleeps with a satin or silk bonnet. This reduces friction, which prevents frizz and helps the style last much longer. Handle with care. When you are refreshing the style, be gentle, especially around the edges. We want the style to be secure, but never uncomfortable. The Brazilian wool hairstyle is a wonderful protective option that allows your child to look adorable and play freely without constant hair frizz. So do make sure you watch this video to the very end to see all the style we have compiled and created just for you. Give it a try. You will love the convenience and the cute factor. Let me know in the comments below if you found this video helpful, and tell me which of the style you'll be trying next on your kid or toddler. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more hairstyle inspirations and ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.